In today's fast-paced world, sleep has become a luxury rather than a natural part of our routine. Many people struggle to wind down in the evening, their minds still racing from the day's events. The result is poor sleep quality, insomnia, or a sense of restlessness even after hours of lying in bed. Yoga, specifically evening yoga, has emerged as a powerful tool to help individuals transition from the busyness of the day into the calm of the night. This ancient practice is known for its ability to relax the body and mind, making it a natural remedy for those seeking better sleep. In this video, we will explore how evening yoga can enhance your sleep quality, its benefits for the body and mind, the science behind yoga's calming effects, and a step-by-step guide to creating your own evening yoga routine. Before diving into the specifics of evening yoga, it's essential to understand the importance of sleep for both physical and mental health. Sleep is a fundamental human need, similar to eating and breathing, but it often gets neglected. Adequate sleep allows the body to repair and regenerate tissues, strengthen the immune system, and consolidate memories. It also plays a vital role in regulating mood, concentration, and overall cognitive function. When we consistently fail to get enough rest, the consequences can be far-reaching. Sleep deprivation is associated with a host of health issues, including weakened immunity, weight gain, cardiovascular problems, and increased stress and anxiety. Given these risks, finding ways to improve sleep quality is crucial, and this is where yoga can be a game changer. While yoga at any time of day can offer health benefits, practicing yoga in the evening has unique advantages for promoting better sleep. Evening yoga focuses on gentle, restorative movements, mindful breathing, and meditative techniques designed to calm the nervous system and prepare the body for rest. Unlike high-intensity workouts that can energize the body, evening yoga encourages relaxation, helping to lower cortisol, the stress hormone, and activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and digestion. Evening yoga also encourages the release of tension that may have built up in the body throughout the day. From long hours spent sitting at a desk to emotional stress, our bodies often hold on to tightness and discomfort that can interfere with sleep. A calming yoga practice can help stretch tight muscles, relieve physical discomfort, and promote a sense of ease. The effectiveness of yoga for better sleep is supported by a growing body of scientific research. Numerous studies have shown that yoga can improve sleep quality, especially for individuals with insomnia or other sleep disturbances. But what is it about yoga that makes it such a potent sleep aid? Yoga helps regulate the body's stress response by calming the nervous system. Deep, controlled breathing, a fundamental part of yoga, activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which slows the heart rate and lowers blood pressure, creating a sense of calm. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychology found that regular yoga practice can significantly reduce levels of anxiety and stress, both of which are common contributors to poor sleep. Yoga encourages mindfulness, which can help individuals let go of racing thoughts and worries before bed. By focusing on the present moment, yoga practitioners can quiet the mind and reduce mental chatter. This mindfulness aspect of yoga, particularly when combined with meditation or relaxation techniques, has been shown to increase melatonin levels, a hormone that regulates sleep cycles. Tension in the body, whether from poor posture, muscle tightness, or lingering physical pain, can interfere with the ability to fall asleep. Yoga stretches and strengthens the muscles, alleviates discomfort, and promotes physical relaxation. Gentle yoga poses can release tightness in areas prone to stress, such as the shoulders, neck, and lower back, making it easier to settle into a comfortable sleeping position. Yoga has a profound effect on the autonomic nervous system, specifically through its ability to balance the sympathetic and parasympathetic branches. While the sympathetic system is responsible for the body's fight or flight response, the parasympathetic system is associated with relaxation and recovery. Evening yoga, particularly when focusing on restorative postures and breathwork, helps shift the body into the parasympathetic state, promoting deep rest and relaxation. Creating an evening yoga routine doesn't have to be complicated. The goal is to focus on gentle, calming poses that promote relaxation and prepare the body for sleep. The following is a list of some of the most effective yoga poses for enhancing sleep quality. A. Child's Pose, Balasana. This simple pose gently stretches the lower back, hips and thighs, while promoting a sense of security and relaxation. Child's Pose encourages deep breathing and helps calm the mind, making it an ideal way to release tension before bed. How to do it? Kneel on the floor with your big toes touching and your knees apart. Sit back on your heels and lower your torso forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Extend your arms in front of you, or let them rest alongside your body. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes, breathing deeply. B. Legs up the wall pose, Viparita Karani. This restorative pose is excellent for reducing stress and calming the nervous system. By elevating the legs, it encourages circulation, relieves tired legs, and promotes relaxation. How to do it? Sit sideways next to a wall, then swing your legs up the wall as you lower your upper body to the floor. Adjust your position so that your hips are close to the wall and your legs are fully supported. 1. Rest your arms by your sides, close your eyes, and breathe deeply for 5-10 minutes. C. Reclined bound angle pose, Supta Baddha Konasana. This pose opens the hips and chest, areas that often hold tension from stress. It also helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting a sense of calm. How to do it? Lie on your back and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall open to the sides. You can place pillows or blankets under your knees for added support. Rest your arms by your sides or place them on your belly. Breathe deeply for 3-5 minutes. Seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Forward bends are naturally calming and help to stretch the spine and hamstrings. This pose encourages relaxation and helps quiet the mind, making it easier to transition into sleep. How to do it? Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale to lengthen your spine, then exhale as you hinge at your hips and reach forward toward your feet. Allow your head and neck to relax, holding the pose for 2 to 3 minutes while focusing on your breath. Corpse pose, Savasana. Savasana is often used at the end of a yoga practice to integrate the benefits of the session. It promotes total relaxation and helps calm the mind, making it an excellent pose to end an evening yoga routine. How to do it? Lie on your back with your legs extended and arms relaxed at your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and focus on deep, slow breathing. Allow your body to fully relax into the floor, staying here for 5-10 minutes. Creating a consistent evening yoga routine is key to experiencing the full benefits for sleep. The beauty of yoga is that it can be adapted to fit your schedule and personal preferences. Whether you have 10 minutes or an hour, incorporating yoga into your evening can help you transition from the busyness of the day to a restful night. Choose a time in the evening that works for you, ideally 30 minutes to an hour before bedtime. Consistency is important, as practicing yoga at the same time each day can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Set up a peaceful space for your yoga practice. Dim the lights, light a candle, and play soft, calming music to create a serene atmosphere. This helps signal to your mind and body that it's time to relax. If you're new to yoga, start with just 5 to 10 minutes of gentle stretching and breathing exercises before bed. As you become more comfortable with the practice, you can gradually extend the length of your sessions. For an even more restful experience, consider combining yoga with other relaxation techniques, such as meditation, deep breathing, or aromatherapy. Essential oils like lavender and chamomile can enhance the calming effects of your practice. In conclusion, evening yoga is a gentle and effective way to improve sleep quality by calming the mind, releasing tension, and promoting relaxation. With the right poses and consistent practice, yoga can help you transition smoothly from the hustle of the day to the peacefulness of sleep. Whether you're dealing with insomnia, stress, or simply looking for a way to enhance your nightly routine, incorporating evening yoga into your life can lead to more restful nights and better overall well-being. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Join our community, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.